panels. As you can see, we're going to put the sellotape on the top of it, look like this, and make 6 such shapes. Now we're going to make the cube shape, cover it from the sides as well, and look, it is ready. You can see the holes from the side. We are going to cover it as well, and look how realistic these are looking. Let's make a lot of foam at home with the help of this soap solution and water. So we're going to mix both of them. Now you can use this tissue paper and tie a knot on this. Now blow it like we're doing here, and look, there's too much foam coming out. Let's make this fun garbage picker truck using craft paper. As you can see, we're going to take this empty box and cut it from the top. Here we're going to put the stick and 2 bottle caps as wheel. Now we're going to cut the craft paper, cover it from the top, and look, it is ready. Let's make soap bubbles at home. So we're going to cut small pieces of colorful straws and paste all of them in a straight row. Roll it and make this circle. Now we're going to combine all of them together. Now put this stick on one side, make the solution using soap and water, and look, it is ready. Let's make this fun helicopter at home with the help of craft paper and paper cup. So we're going to cut a hole and make a hole on the top of the paper cup. Now we're going to make a cone using this craft paper, put it at the back side using the rubber band and sticks. We're going to put all of them together, cut the fan, spin it, and look, it is ready. As you can see, we're going to cut this feather shape from this craft paper and then paste it on the top of this transparent glass. We're going to make a shape of this hand. Put it on the top of this paper cup, blow it from one side, and look how fun this craft is looking. Let's make this heart wings fan at home using craft paper. As you can see, we are going to cut this A4 sheet of paper into 2 parts and fold one like this. Make multiple fold, open it, and then we're going to make 2 of them. Paste both of them together. Now we're going to paste 2 threads, and then we're going to roll another paper like this. Keep rolling another paper on the top of it. Pull it down. You can see we're going to cover the thread using another paper, and then your fan is ready. You can make the heart shape using pink craft paper. Take this paper, fold it like we're doing here, fold it from the back, and then we're going to make multiple fold from the top, tuck the paper inside. The heart is ready. Similarly, we're going to make 2 heart shapes. Keep it aside. Let's make the wings. We're going to take this blue craft paper, cut 2 wings, and then we're going to paste all of them together, and look how pretty this is looking. You can pull it like this. As you can see, we're going to put this bubble wrap on the top of the sellotape and then paint it orange. Stamp it on the paper. Similarly, we're going to make the flower petals using green leaves. Stamp it like we're doing here. It is a beautiful sunflower. Similarly, make the leaves and stick as well. Take this cardboard and draw leaves and stick using green sketch pen, and then we're going to make holes on the top of it. You can collect beautiful flowers from your garden, put it inside the hole, and your flower pot is ready. Here we're going to cut this foam net, and then we're going to flower petals as well. Take this yellow sheet of paper and paste all the petals like we're doing here. Lift it from the side and then give it a 3D look. Now we're going to cut the center part of the flower as well. Paste the leaves and stick, wrap it like this, paste a bow, and look, your flower bouquet is ready. Thank you so much for watching.
And tie it with the rubber band like this. Now you have to put the color in the between and the sides. Now imprint it on the white sheet like this. Now make few more as such. Now in the between, make the body of the butterfly, make its antenna, and take the brown color clay to decorate its wings like this, and it's ready. Next, take a white sheet and draw these circles with different colors like this. Now after making these circular shapes, we'll be taking the black marker and draw the lines over it like this. Now after that, decorate it as shown in the video, and then put the raindrops on the top, and it's ready. Next, take the fruit foam net and imprint the green color over the sheet like this to make the leaves of the tree. Now take the darker shade and put it in the between like this. Now after that, we have to make the grasses with the brush, put some flowers over it, and it's done. Next, take a black sheet and then draw the stems and leaves and grasses with the help of the green color. Make these strokes like this. Now after that, take the peanut shells or pistachio shells like this, and then you can color it or just paste it like this, and you can also color it if you want, and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a plastic bag, tie it from the top. Now take the color and print it on the white sheet like this with the help of the plastic bag. Now make the flowers like this. Now put the leaves with the green color, make the brush as strokes like this. Take the green color marker to make the stems, and it's done. Next, take a bubble wrap sheet, cut it into pieces like this. Paste the half piece like this and then the triangles. Now color the red color over it. Take the white color clay to put it on the sides of it like this to make the watermelons. Make the ants with the black color clay like this, and the ants are eating the watermelon, so keep it over it like this and it's done. Next, take a white or red color in the cup, put the soap and water on it, and then take the bubbles created from it over the sheet like this. Put it as shown in the video. Now after that, we have to make the lines like this using the markers. So your starfish or jellyfishes are ready. Next, we'll be taking the green color in a cup, put water and soap together, make the bubbles like this and put it on the white sheet and make it like this. Now after that, put the lines like this with the green color, make the flowers on the top like this with the white and pink color, and it's ready. You can make the tadpoles and it's done. Next, take a white sheet, draw the lines like this. Now after that, we have to make the lines in the between. Now apply the glue over it like this on the linings, and then you can sprinkle the salt over it like this. Now after that, remove the excess salt, take the blue color and put it over it like this so that the salt soaks the water inside it, and it's done. Next, take a white sheet and put the leaves on the top side like this. Take the yellow color paper and join it like this to make the birds. Make its beak and eyes in the front like this. Make its legs and make few more as such, and it's done. Take a white sheet and draw the lines on it and make the stems and leaves. Now after that, we have to take the yellow color clay and put it like this as shown in the video. Now after that, make the leaves like this. Now we have to make the butterflies on the top with the yellow color clay and make its legs, make its sting on the back, and it's done. Next, take a white sheet and then make the leaves like this with the green color. Draw the lines inside it with the black marker. Take the bubble wrap sheet and paste it like this and then color it with the red color and make the stems like this. Put the leaves over it and your strawberries are ready. Thanks for watching our video.